What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore an incredible piece of technology that's perfect for anyone who loves watching movies, playing games, or just wants to experience a fantastic home theater setup. Say hello to the 2000 ANSI 4K decoding projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, HAPPRUN Movie Home Theater. This projector is packed with innovative features, and I'm excited to share them with you. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about how easy it is to set up and use this projector. With its AI smart screen adjustment, you can enjoy a clear rectangular picture within just 5 seconds of startup. The projector comes with autofocus and 6D auto keystone technology, which means you don't have to worry about manual adjustments. Whether you place it on a table, bedside, wall-mounted, or ceiling-mounted, the projector quickly adjusts for optimal viewing. This feature is a game-changer, especially if you're not tech-savvy or just want a hassle-free experience. The AI auto obstacle avoidance and auto screen alignment ensure that you get the best picture quality, no matter where you place the projector. Now, let's move on to the image quality. This 4K decoding projector offers up to 2000 ANSI lumens brightness and supports 4K decoding video, ensuring bright and clear images whether it's day or night. The portable projector has a 20,000:1 contrast ratio and 95% color gamut, which presents richer light and dark levels and color details, making every frame vivid and lively. You can enjoy a cinema-quality experience at home, and it's also the perfect choice for outdoor movie nights. Imagine watching your favorite movie under the stars with crystal-clear picture quality. It's an experience you won't forget. Another impressive feature of this projector is its sound quality. The built-in 8W Hi-Fi high-quality audio system provides richer sound details without the need for additional equipment. Plus, with bidirectional Bluetooth 5.2, you can connect external speakers to enjoy different sound quality or use the projector as a Bluetooth speaker to play music from your phone. This feature adds so much value to the projector, and I think it's a great bonus for anyone who loves music or wants to enhance their viewing experience. The Wi-Fi 6 feature is another standout aspect of this projector. It enables wireless screen mirroring between the projector and both iOS and Android devices, making it easy to connect and stream content. With a maximum rate of up to 9.6 Gbps, which is nearly 40% faster than Wi-Fi 5, you can enjoy uninterrupted wireless projection. This feature is perfect for anyone who wants to stream their favorite shows or movies without the hassle of cables. Finally, let's talk about the multiple viewing options this projector offers. It's equipped with HDMI 2, USB X2, AV, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, making it compatible with TV sticks, Chromecast, phone, ISO/Android, PC, laptop, PS4, PS5, and more. The 300-inch display and 50% zoom function meet projection requirements for different spaces, making it perfect for home theaters, backyard movie nights, gaming, yoga, birthday parties, music events, and more. The possibilities are endless, and I think this projector is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a versatile and high-quality viewing experience. In conclusion, the 2000 ANSI 4K decoding projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, HAPPRUN Movie Home Theater, is an incredible piece of technology that offers a range of innovative features. From its easy operation and high-quality images to its impressive sound quality and ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6, this projector is perfect for anyone who wants to experience a fantastic home theater setup. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing projector and take your viewing experience to the next level. Trust me, you won't regret it. It's an investment that will provide you with countless hours of entertainment and fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.